In this step, there is one algorithm to learn. It is possible that the corners will be solved after completing the yellow top. If this is the case, you may skip this step. However, it's important to learn this process because the corners will not correctly be oriented in every solve. If one pair of corners is solved, place a solved pair to the back of the cube and perform this algorithm. R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R prime, B2, R2. This will solve your remaining corners. Align the corners and place the solved side to the back. If you don't initially have any corners solved, perform the algorithm. Upon completion, repeat the algorithm.